Episode 37, The Role of Trees and Plants in the Pavilion's Design. Hey, welcome back to EcoAlchemy. I'm so glad you're here as we continue this journey of building a sustainable high-desert homestead. Together, we're crafting a space where humans and nature coexist harmoniously, and every design decision nurtures the land we call home. In the last episode, we explored how the pavilion connects to the water system, making it the life force of the entire homestead. Today, we shift our attention to another piece of this ecological puzzle, the vital role of trees and plants around the pavilion. These green allies will elevate this structure from a simple building to an integrated hub of biodiversity, shade, and resilience. Before we get started, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your support fuels this eco-conscious journey, and I'm honored to have you here. Let's dive in. Trees and plants are much more than aesthetic elements in a landscape. They're fundamental to a thriving and self-sustaining ecosystem. Around the pavilion, they have a unique role in enhancing sustainability, shaping microenvironments, and bringing life to the homestead. Shade isn't just about comfort, it's survival in the high desert. Thoughtfully placed trees will shield the pavilion's surroundings from the intense sun, lowering the ambient temperature, ensuring our pond retains more water by reducing evaporation and making outdoor activities far more pleasant. Healthy soil is the foundation of any ecosystem. Plants prevent erosion, stabilize the land, and enrich depleted soil with organic matter. Over time, this transforms the harsh desert floor into fertile ground capable of sustaining even more life. By blending shade, humidity, and windbreaks, vegetation creates microclimates, localized environments where conditions are more suitable for plants, animals, and even us. Around the pavilion, these microclimates will make the space more inviting and beneficial for the overall homestead. A successful eco-landscape begins with making mindful choices about what we plant. For the high desert environment surrounding the pavilion, we need drought-tolerant species that enhance the area's sustainability while blending beauty, function, and resilience. Velvet mesquite, a desert gem, it offers dense shade, edible pods, and enriches the soil with nitrogen, making nearby plants thrive. 2. Palo verde. Its striking green bark withstands harsh desert conditions, and it promises both durability and elegance to the landscape. Desert willow. Not only does it grace us with beautiful blooms, but it also serves as an effective windbreak, protecting the pavilion during sandstorms. 1. Wolfberry. Both prolific and purposeful, it produces edible berries for humans and supports local wildlife, fostering a biodiverse habitat. Saltbush. Its deep roots hold soil in place, even in extreme conditions, making it an ideal choice for degraded desert areas. Desert marigold. This vibrant, pollinator-friendly plant is perfect for stabilizing soil, adding a cheerful yellow touch to the landscape. 2. Creeping globe mallow. Its spreading nature effectively reduces evaporation and curbs erosion, a true guardian for the desert floor. Landscape planning isn't just about adding plants. It's about placing them strategically to bring out their full potential. Around the pavilion, I envision a layered planting layout that maximizes ecological benefits. This ring of trees will stand farther from the pavilion, casting a wide circle of shade. They'll cool the space without obstructing the pavilion itself. Think of them as the first line of defense against the harsh desert sun. Closer to the pavilion, shrubs create a transition zone, bridging the larger trees and the pavilion. These mid-level plants will add depth, defend against wind, and enhance the site's functionality. Directly surrounding the pavilion, ground covers will fill the gaps, ensure soil stability, and create a lush, green perimeter. Their proximity to the structure helps them maintain moisture, drawing the eyes to a lively, flourishing base. Each tree, shrub, and flowering ground cover contributes deliberately to the efficiency, productivity, and resilience of the pavilion and its surroundings. Let's explore how all these components harmonize. Trees and shrubs lower temperatures around the pavilion significantly, cutting down on energy used to cool the space and creating a comfortable environment for working, gathering, or simply appreciating nature's comforts. Plants help create a local microclimate that reduces evaporation from the pond and surrounding water systems. This efficiency ensures water resources go further, a crucial need in desert landscapes. Plants attract a variety of species, pollinators like bees, butterflies, birds, and beneficial insects, all of which contribute to a biodiverse and balanced ecosystem. This living network supports everything from food production to pest control. Let's talk reality. Landscaping in the desert isn't effortless. It takes intention, patience, and problem solving. Here are some of the challenges we face and how to overcome them. Though many desert plants are drought tolerant, they require extra hydration in their early stages to establish roots. Our pond and innovative irrigation systems will serve as lifelines to help these plants flourish sustainably. Harsh sunlight and searing heat can challenge even the hardiest plants. Mulching and installing temporary shade cloth are practical steps to shield young greenery from the harshest impacts. Desert soil often lacks organic matter, leaving plants vulnerable. By adding compost and mulches rich in nutrients, we create a supportive environment that encourages strong growth and soil regeneration. Imagine this: standing under the pavilion on a summer afternoon, the cool shade of mesquite trees above you, their branches swaying gently in the breeze. Around you, shrubs are alive with buzzing bees and fluttering birds, while vibrant ground covers brighten the scene with splashes of color. The air is cooler, the soil is teeming with healthy microorganisms, and your efforts have transformed a once barren landscape into a vibrant haven of life. This vision motivates every step of the process. It's not just about making the homestead beautiful. It's about restoring harmony between human design and the natural world. Every tree, every shrub, every tiny flower in the ground reflects a commitment to healing the land and weaving it into the larger ecological web. In our next episode, we'll take sustainable design to the next level by diving into the concept of food forests. This method of layering diverse plants mimics natural ecosystems, creating a self-sustaining, productive landscape that benefits people and the planet alike. As always, I want to thank you for being a part of this transformative journey. Together, we're proving that eco-conscious living isn't just possible, it's essential. Your likes, shares, and subscriptions mean the world to me and keep this dream alive. Until next time, stay inspired, stay committed, and keep building a future where every step supports the planet. See you soon on EcoAlchemy.